Hello, kindergarten. Today is P Day for our ABC countdown, and for the letter P, we have Pajama Day. So I hope that you are wearing your pajamas today. Also for P Day, Mrs. Miller actually came up with some writing lessons that can help you out. I'm going to show you here. If you go to our writing lessons on our links page, there is P is for punctuation and also persuasive writing. And if you look through the persuasive writing one, there's a secret mission at the end. So I encourage you to go to these two lessons today on P Day. Now, if we continue through our calendar, not only is it P Day, but it's also the month of May. So we're going to go ahead and sing our May song. Follow along with me. M-A-Y spells May. M-A-Y spells May. The 5th month of the year. M-A-Y spells May. Kids go out and play all through the month of May. 31 days of sunny fun, and then the month is done. Now, if we look right here, this is the hidden number for today. What is that hidden number? It is more than 6, one more than 6, and one less than 8. 7 is our number. So I'm going to go ahead, circle 7, that's today. I'm going to go all the way up and circle the day of the week. I know what day of the week it is now. It is Thursday, and we are in the month of May. Thursday, and we remember the number 7. Remember, those 3 pieces we'll need to finish our slide here in a little bit. Today is, we said today is Thursday. Is this Thursday? No, it doesn't have that TH beginning. Let's do our Thursday right here. Yesterday was, if today is Thursday, yesterday, the day before, was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be, if today is Thursday, tomorrow, the day after, will be Friday. All right, let's go ahead and read. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Okay, today is Thursday. What month again? M-A-Y spells May. Here it is. May. We want to write the number 7. Go. And the year is 2020. All right, repeat after me. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. May 7th. May 7th, 2020, 2020, that's the date, that's the date. How many days have we been learning at home? We come here, put that in my tens frame. Now I could either count each one of these squares to get to my number, or I can tell that there's less empty squares than there are filled squares. So I can see 1, 2, 3 empty boxes. So if I know 10 take away 3 is 7, I would know before having to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that number that we're writing is 7. And in our tens place, 1, 2, 3, we have 3. Oop, I'm going to try that again. Silly computer. There we go. All right, now in order to count here, we want to count by tens in the tens place and by 1 in the ones place. So we'll go 10, 20, 30. So we have 30 here and 7. So 37 days of learning at home. How many days left of kindergarten? Oh my goodness! 10 more days! What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy today? I hope you're doing the motions with me as I sing. I know I am. If I look out of my window, it is another sunny day today. It looks gorgeous outside. All right, let's go ahead and graph sunny. Look at the month of May with all of those sunny days. It's just like our song. It says, 31 days of sunny fun, and then the month is done. We've got lots of sunny days. All right, let's see what the temperature is. If I click on the temperature, in Oakwood, Ohio, it is 61 degrees. Not too bad today. It's a good day to get outside. 61 degrees. And yesterday we talked about labeling it a little bit further with a little F for Fahrenheit. So 61 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, what is the sentence? Let's look at the very first sentence. Are you, kind of a long word, but we have to break it up. Wearing. Are you wearing? This one is PJs. Today. Are you wearing PJs today? What does PJs mean? Pajamas, of course. All right, well, look, I'm asking you a question. Are you wearing PJs today? If I'm asking a question, I need to make sure I use punctuation with an X or with a question mark. All right, let's go to the next line. Are you wearing PJs today? Today is P Day. Oh, I need to read that again because I see that there's an exclamation point. Today is P Day. Well, I need to fix the sentence by, you are correct, adding a capital T at the beginning. Let's go to the next one. My PJs have a fruit on them. My PJs have a fruit on them. Oops, you know what? We need to fix that sentence. If we look at the beginning, already has that capital letter, but we need punctuation at the end. Let's add a period. My PJs have a fruit on them. All right. Can you guess? Can you guess which one? Can you guess which one? All right, well, I'm asking a question. All right, my PJs that I'm wearing right now, they have a fruit on them. If you know me well, you might have already guessed what fruit I have on my PJs. I like this fruit a lot. Pineapples. I have pineapples on my PJs today. These are what my PJs look like, even though I didn't take a picture of the ones I have on. These are exactly what they look like. I found them on the internet. And then I put a pineapple big here just in case you can't tell that those are little tiny pineapples on my PJs. Okay, let's go ahead and do our number talk today. Our number talk on Thursdays are the 5 and 10 frames fun. So on our Thursday number talk, we are going to show you a tens frame, but just like our quick images Wednesday, it's going to be quick. So I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to count to 5 in my head, and I want you to tell me how many dots you see. Now, just like when we did our how many days have we been learning at home, you might want to look at that tens frame and figure out how many dots are missing in order to figure it out, rather than counting how many dots are there. Okay, that's my helpful hint to you. Here we go. Okay. Well, in that one, you saw there were 3 squares that were missing. Look here. 3 squares. 1, 2, 3. Now 10, because we know it's in a tens frame, 10 minus 3 equals 7. Very good. Or you could have saw that there are 3 dots here and 3 dots here to get 6 and 1 more to get 7. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, how many dots were there? Well, if you remember the slide before, we figured out the exact same tens frame. Let's go back. Look right here. This bottom tens frame is the exact same one that we just saw. So if we know this is the exact same one, we might be able to get it very quickly by knowing that this is a full tens frame, so we can go 10 plus 7. Or you can do the same thing you did before by going 3 plus 3 is 6 and 1 more is 7. And you already know, since that one's full, it's 10. So how many dots are here? 17. All right, let's go to the next one. How many dots were there? Well, if you remember, it had the same tens frame right down here, but this time instead of adding just 1 10, they added 2 10s. So we can go 10, 20, plus this 7, so we would go 10, 20, 27 dots. Oh boy. All right, are you ready for our next one? If you guessed 37, you are correct, because look, we're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 37. 37. Awesome. All right, ready for our next one? Last one. How many dots were there? 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, it was much quicker for me to count by tens to get the total number of dots. If I had to count each individual one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that would take me way too long. So I'm glad we know how to count by tens. All right, thank you so much, KA. Have a great day.